సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి స్మార్ట్ అజిట్ టెక్ స్టడీ ఛానల్ని మరి ప్రెస్ చేయండి బెల్ ఐకాన్ ఫర్ లేటెస్ట్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అండ్ జాబ్ రిలేటెడ్ వీడియోస్. Hi friends, welcome back to Smart Nazir Tech Study. In this video, we will going to learn about some basic interesting Python basic programs. So let's get started into our session. Before starting this video, if you feel this video is not helpful, then dislike, or if you feel this video is helpful and interesting, kindly like and subscribe this channel. So let's begin the concept. So firstly, even or odd program. In this method I have tried two methods to explain this program. Initially a equal to 6, b equal to 3. So if condition a percentage 2 equal to, this is percentage is a modulus operator, 2 equal to 0, that means 6 is the modulus 2, then remainder will be 0. Then this print statement, if the condition is true and the condition is true and our statement will be executed as even number. If this condition is false, then we go into the else part, then it is indicated as odd number. In this I have 6 percentage 2 equal to 0, it is true, so it print even number. So let's trying into method 2. In this, taking input from user, you are the user. Initially this is a equal to variable, we store input value, input enter a number. The prompt output prompt will be shown, enter a number, you will give some number, let's say 7 divide modulus 2 equal to 0. This condition is false because 7 is a odd number, remainder does not give 0, so it goes into the else part. This condition is fails and it goes to the else part, it prints as odd number, output it as odd number. So this one will be going to true. If I give then you have again run this program another time. If you give this as input as a 12, then 12 modulus 2 equal to, this is equal to, another equal to is needed, equal to 0, then it is condition checking. Equal to is assigning, double equal to is condition checking. If this condition is true, absolutely, if we give 12 the condition, the remainder gives 0 because 12 mod 2 equal to 0. This it considers as in this way. So 2 is as 2 12, so 6 times, so remainder will give 0. So this is the methodology modulus operation. This is the methodology for taking input from user and the modulus operation. So we give 12, so the print statement will give even number. So condition is true, it will print on output screen as even number. Then we iterate to the next program. So the next program is mathematical operations in Python. We can do various mathematical operations in easy manner in Python programming language. Firstly, we take an input from user. In this program I have taken input, enter a number, from number it displays output console as enter number. You will have to give some number in output screen. Let's say I will give 6. In Python I have already told hash symbol is for commenting. In programming, if you use hash symbol, the compiler does not execute the program. So b equal to input enter a number, let's say I will give as 4. Okay, performing addition operation, 6 it will give as a next the print statement, line by line statement will be executed. Print the addition of two numbers is a plus b. Here a equal to 6 and b equal to 4, so we compute two numbers, 6 plus 4, the output will be 10. So output will be, we get 10 as output. Okay, so next instruction, print the subtraction of two numbers a minus b. 6 minus 4, answer would be come to the output screen. In next, for multiplication we use a into b, as well as for division 6 by 2, the result will be 3. So this is about mathematical operation in Python. So the next program is finding biggest of two numbers by using conditional operators. Basically conditional operators are, these are equal to, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, and some other etc. Let us say a equal to 10, b equal to 8. We checking condition. A equal to 10 greater than B. 10 is it 10 greater than 8? B has 8. In this program we have to find biggest of these two numbers. Basically, as you know, the biggest of number is A equal to 10. For 10 and 8, 10 is a big number. So our task is to achieve which is big number by using if condition and also conditional operators. Here we check A as 10 greater than 8. The condition is absolutely true, and then a print statement will be executed. A is big. If in case B is 18, then the condition fail its purpose. A is 10 greater than 18, no, the condition is false. Then we enter into the else block. Print B is big will be printed because B is greater number than 10. So our job is done. The biggest number is we have find it out. So next number is exponent powers of a given number. That means exponential. For example, let us say 2 power 5. 2 power 5 is 32. So in this we does not use this operator. This is our XOR operator in programming. This symbol is considered as XOR operator in bitwise operators. So we use for exponential, we use double star for power numbers. Initially we take from user input, enter a number. The user is you will give as a, let us say 2. Let's say 2. The 2 power 5 is 32 here. So num star 5, it will give 32. So remember, this is considered in programming as a XOR operator. For powers or exponential we use double star. Next, the task is, this is output console, test case on Python programmer. In this basically print I am. So print I am will be printed n equal to int input. In int input I will give Python programmer as input console. Next, the n will be printed. N is I have given Python programmer. Now therefore our job is done. First I am output, in output screen we will first will get I am, and next Python n I will give Python programmer. Done. Programmer. So the job is done. First is I am here. I am give a semi hyphen or anything you can give I am or I am, anything is fine. This or this as you are in print screen, this or this in our print screen, Python programmer. So this is basic programs in Python. Thanks for watching till the end. We will meet in next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.